Samar, do you know this? Question number 8. This is actually Chanchal's turn, but anyway, we have to do this question today. It is not there. See what is given the question. Water in a canal. Water in a canal 6 meter wide and 1.5 meter deep. So what is given the question? Width. Width of the water canal. It's 6 meter wide and depth is 1.5 meter. So write down width of the canal is 6 meters and depth of the canal is 1.5 meters. Everything we are doing in meters only, right? And here they have given speed, that is 10 km per hour. The speed is equals to what we can write? Speed is equals to, can we write 10 km per hour? We can convert to meter only. We can write here 10,000 meter per.
Sir, which exercise is this?
This exercise is 13.3, question number 8. We have left out this question. 8th and 9th we have left in the next, the last class. I told you to children to
Sir, I
do.
think you gave some homework to some people.
Yeah, I told them to. You have did this question number 8, Samar.
Yes, sir, but you hadn't given me this, but I have done it. I had done.
Okay, tell me what to do in this question. See, water in a canal is 6 meter wide, 1.5 meter deep, flowing with a speed of 10 km per hour. The speed,
Okay,
width,
sir.
and depth is given over here. How much
All right.
area will it irrigate in 30 minutes? So what to do here?
So, sir, the width, the canal is in the form of a cuboid. So, sir, the width of the the cuboid is 6 meters. The height of the canal is 1.5 meters, and the length is 10 kilometers or 10,000 meters.
Yeah, so we have to take 10,000 meters only, right?
Yeah.
This is why this becomes speed, length, speed become length.
Sir, this is in hours, right? Hence, in 30 minutes, it will cover 5,000 meters.
Sorry, in
Sir,
how many meters? How many hours?
sir, in half an hour, if it covers 10 kilometers in 1 hour, it will cover 5,000 meters in 30 minutes.
Yes. Huh.
Okay. So here the length becomes 5,000 meters as it is given there, it is 30 minutes.
Hmm.
So, and it needs 8 cm of standing water. Hence,
So first let
the
us find the
stand.
volume. First we let us find the volume, right? Wait.
Yeah, that
So volume in 1 hour is fine. Volume of water. Wait, after this you tell me 1 second, okay? Volume of water. Children, try to understand. Who is not able to understand? This is very important question. Very, very important for board exams. So volume of water flowing through the canal. Flowing through the canal. Through the canal. In 1 hour, if you are taking children, in 1 hour, then we have to write pi r square h, right? Or LBH. LBH, because this is a cuboidal
LBH.
canal, right? Cuboidal canal. So we can write length is nothing but what? What is length over here? Say,
Say the speed.
this is length, width, and depth, right? Height, this is length. Length you can write it as 10,000 multiplied by breadth, that is your 6, and height you take it as 1.5. Or better, instead of one more step, we can write here half hour directly, half an hour. Because in question they have given 30 minutes, right? So instead of 1 hour, you just write here half an hour, and you can just divide it by 2 over here. So 2, and here you can write 500. So this, if you multiply, what you'll get? 15 6 are 90, 9 5 are 45. So 45,000 meter cube. This is the volume of water flowing through the canal. Children, this is clear to you or not? Tell me. Once
Yes.
again, I'm telling you, once again, those who are trying to understand this bit complicated question. Width of the canal is 6 meter wide, children, 1.5 meter deep, and speed is given over here. Here, length is not given, speed is given over here. So we are just considering the speed in length form because in 1 hour, how much length it covers, right? That is like what? Length only. Distance we can find easily, right? So length we are taking it as 1000 over here. See, 1000. And why we divide by 2? Because they are asking in half an hour. Okay, so divide by 2 to find the volume of water flowing through the canal in half an hour. So children, you are having doubt over here till here or not? Then we can move further. Hemant is clear. Rasool, Hemant. Rasool is
Yes,
clear.
sir.
Hemant, are you getting?
Yes, sir.
All right. So the next we have to find here, if 8 centimeter water is needed, if 8 centimeter water is needed. So what you have to find here, what are the how much area it will get, how much area it will irrigate, area we have to find, right? So let
Yes, sir.
area, let the area, let the area irrigate.
Sir, the area will also be in the form of LBH. As sir, the height of the water is given 8 centimeters.
Let the area, wait, 1 minute, irrigated by the water is equals to a meter square. Can we write like this? Let area be a. So area into height. See, children, one formula I told you in starting only. Volume is nothing but what? LBH. And LB is nothing but what? Area. Right, children? In volume, area into height we can write. Volume is equals to area into height. Can we write, children?
Yes, sir.
Area into height. Where area we don't know, volume we know, height also we know or not. Height 8 centimeter they have given. So try to convert 8 centimeter into meters. So what we can write over here? So what we can write here is volume they have given, that is 45,000. Is equals to A into height 8 centimeter. And we can convert 8 centimeter into what? Meters. So A is equals to, we can write 45,000 multiply by 100 divided by 8. You can solve this, children, and get the answer. Here 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8, and here 4 1s are 4, 4 1s are 4, 2s are 10, then 5s are 0s. Okay. So again, this will come 2, 2 5s are 10, 2 5s are 10, 5 6 2 5. So we'll get 5 6 2 5 00 meter square. Is it clear, children?
Yes, it
So
is clear.
this is the
Yes, sir.
exact answer. Ananya, you are getting? Ananya,
Yes, sir.
I hope you are absent in last class, right? Ananya,
No, sir. I was there for half of the class and then I think I got kicked out.
kicked out. No, I never kicked the.
No, sir. I think this meeting, like, also today also, like, I joined and then it kicked me out like 2 times. And it's
Oh,
not you, but it kept
yeah.
glitching.
Achha. Okay, children, let's try to understand this question. If you are having doubt, just ask.
No,
Because this is very important question. Uh, kind of different type. Okay. Next here you need to think. Here thinking power is required bit. That's why I'm telling you. Just once again, just check it out. Well, in any steps, if you're having doubt, you can ask. Question number 9. Others, did you try, child? Question number 9. Or shall I? Huh?
You explain it, sir. I haven't read, sir.
Okay, fine. Today we are doing the very important questions. Yesterday and before that class, what we have done, that is normal directly based on the formulas. Here also based on the formulas only, but a small think power is required over here. See, a farmer connects a pipe of internal diameter 20 centimeter. So they are talking about pipe. I'll write here pipe first. So pipe diameter is equals to 20 centimeter. If I write the radii of that, then we can write it as 10 centimeter. The next part of it is a farmer connects pipe of internal diameter 20 centimeter from the canal into a cylindrical tank in her field, which is 10 meter in diameter. Which is 10 meter in diameter. So cylindrical tank is separately cylindrical tank. So this having diameter as 10 meters. We can convert into centimeter if we convert. So what will come? 10 by 100 centimeter, right? Dia. And radius, if you write, become by 10 by 200. This divided by 2, you do the 5. 5 by 100 will come, right? Centimeter. And 2 meter deep. So height is equals to what? 2 meter deep means 2 by 100 centimeter deep. So this is the cylindrical part and this is the pipe one. Okay. If the water flows through the pipe at the rate of 3 kilometer per hour, the speed over here is, the speed is 3 kilometer per hour. How much time will it take? How much time will the tank be filled? How to find, Samar? This question, how to find?
Yes, sir.
First of all, what we have to do?
So, sir, the pipe is in the form of a cylinder. So
Yes.
the width of the pipe is 10 centimeters if you take the R as it, and speed equals to 3 kilometer per hour, sir. And sir, the length will be or the height will be 3,000 meters.
Okay, this we can write here 3000 meters per hour. Can we write now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, next.
And so time. And there is also a cylindrical tank
Yeah,
which needs to be filled.
Hmm.
So, sir, it has 10 meter in diameter, sir. So it's what can we see? It's radius. Radius is 5 meters,
Hmm.
and its height is 2 meters.
Okay, I'm going to start this. Just try to understand, children. So first we can write here. See, what we can do here is, see, we can write it as volume of water flowing in 1 hour. Okay, from this pipe I'm just talking about. Volume of water flowing in 1 hour, because we are talking about 1 hour only, right? Kilometer per hour is equals to pi r square h, correct? So pi as it is we write.
Yes.
Radius we write 10 into 10, and height is what? Height is 3000. This is clear to everyone, children? But we don't, here they are asking how much time this pipe will take. Let pipe will take T hours, right? Let pipe take T hours if you write here. Then if you can multiply by T over here. Pi into 10 into 10 into 3000 into T. Three thousand into T. Can we write like this, children, or not?
Yes, sir, we
Because
can write.
the first part, children, is for 1 hour. So if I ask you for 5 hours, then into 5 you should do. If I ask for T hours, we should multiply by T here, right? And the same volume should be equal to from this cylindrical tank also. Okay, children, what I'm saying here? The volume
Yes.
should be same because we are filling by this pipe only in T time to this cylindrical tank. So what is the volume of this cylindrical tank? That also you can write separately if you want. What you will write here? Pi r square h. Volume of cylindrical tank is equals to volume of cylindrical tank, cylindrical tank is equals to pi r square h. So pi as it is, you write the radius is 5 by 100, and then again 5 by 100, right? Into h 2 by 100. So we are doing correct or what? Hey, here we have did this is centimeter, we convert to meter. This is centimeter, right? So this also we should write in centimeter only, children. 3000 meter to centimeter only, right? So we write here 1, 2, 3, 3, followed by how many zeros? 2 more zeros. Centimeter per hour. Here also 2 more zeros we write. Understood, children? We are everything we are writing in what? Centimeters. Understood? So we converted here centimeters. Is it clear to everyone or not?
Yes.
It's clear, sir.
Now what we can do again? This volume, what I'm just rounding over here. What I'm just rounding over here, that you see this whole volume, and this volume should be equal, right? Because in time T hours, this cylindrical is getting filling up. Okay, so we can write here as pi into 10 into 10 multiply by 3 followed by 5 zeros. T is equals to pi 5 by 100 into 5 by 100 into 2 by 100. So pi will get cancelled. So this will come so many things, my children. Time will so much. What is coming? It's coming so in point, right? We are not doing any mistakes now here. Radius is correct only 10. Speed is 3 kilometer to centimeter. We have convert only. So time we are getting in hours here, right, children? Okay, we just try to do what we are getting for T. See here what we are getting for T. So T is equals to 5 into 5 into 2 divided by something is coming like, awkward situations coming. If we would have convert everything in meter, no, that would be better, I think. But centimeter also should be okay. Okay, just write here. 5 by 100 into 100 into 100. It's coming 10 into 10 into 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 25 2s are 50. If you cancel here, 2 will come. So time isn't coming in hours like where you are doing mistake, can you get it out? Where you are doing mistake or something like that? What is happening here?
Okay, sir.
Check once. Square h into 10 we did already. So here also cylindrical time is cylindrical time is like 5 by 100 5 by 100.
Sir, why have you done this 5 by 100 and 2 by 100? We have converted it.
Okay, better we try to do by meter. Once we'll try by meter. Okay,
Sir, you are doing by?
I'm doing by centimeters.
So, sir, that would be 500, right?
Huh?
Not 5 by 100. It would be 500, I think.
Acha, no, got it. Exactly, very good. So here we should write. We did here one mistakes there, right? So this is not, this is meter, no. So this is 10 followed by 200. This answer will be 10 followed by again 20 centimeter, right? And this is 500 centimeter. This is 200 centimeter, correct? So here only we have to do this one. I'm erasing right now. I think now it's coming easily. Boom, boom, boom. So, right. Okay, we write here. Pi into, here we write here 500 into 500 into 200. So pi into 500 into 500 into 200. Okay. Now here only we can cancel the zeros if you want. So I'm okay. I'll just do proper only. Completely we'll just write first. So we can write here t is equals to 500 into 500 into 200 divided by 10 into 10 into 3 followed by 5 zeros. So we cancel here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 2 5s are 10. Cancel. So what is coming here? 5 by 3 is coming. Huh? 5 by 3 hours. Right, children? 5 by 3 hours. You can convert it to minutes. What to do? So we'll get 25 is 100 minutes. Check answer, children. This is correct. Answers. Answer is correct. Children, you are getting it or not? It's a bit complicated question, but only one mistake has make us to understand here. This only one mistake we did here. We converted this meter. We have written here 1 by something and all. Is it clear to everyone or having doubt? Trishi, Chanchal, Adarsh.
Sir, I'm having a doubt, sir.
Yeah, tell me which part you are having feeling difficulty here.
The whole problem, sir.
Okay, once again I'll start off here. Okay. See, this is one small pipe is there. I'll tell you one small pipe is there. Okay. Very small pipe. This pipe is going to fill one tank, one cylindrical tank. Okay. This pipe is going to fill one cylindrical tank. In how they're telling how many hours it will fill the cylindrical tank. Okay. The water is flowing through this only. So how much water will flow in 1 hour? This much. See first line. This much is clear or not? First line you tell me. This line is clear or not?
Yes, sir, it is.
So we are thinking that we are assuming that this pipe is taking t hours time. Okay. So we multiply this whole 1 hour into t. So that in t hours, this pipe will fill this cylindrical tank. Why we multiply t, you understood? Hemant? Because they have given the question of the how much time will the tank be filled. So we are just assuming that tank will fill in t hours. So if you multiply by t with this part, so in this time, this whole thing is the volume of the whole pipe where this is cylindrical tank is going to fill.
Yes, sir, I get it.
So if you multiply by t, no, that is nothing but volume of the complete cylindrical tank. And same volume part, we are just comparing with what? This one, see, this both we are comparing, this one and this one. This both should be equal only. Is it clear or not now? So instead of doing all this, no, these 3 lines, directly first step only you can do here only. But I'll just tell you how to do. Don't think this is big question. How to do, I'm telling you once again. In 1 line only you can understand how to find, because starting you can do in this way only, but later on if you have practice, no, you can write in this way. Volume of pipe in t hours is equals to volume of cylindrical tank. That's it. The volume of pipe you put here, pi r1 square h into time is equals to pi r2 square h. That's it. Then t is equals to, you can write pi r2 square h, and h is different. Here write h1, here write h2. h1 divided by pi r1, r2 square h2. The pi will get cancelled. Then put this is pipe, this is your cylinder over. Sorry, t is equals to this, no. This is r2 and this is r1. r1 h1, this is r2. I'll just write once again. So pi t is equals to pi r2 square h2 divided by pi r1 square h1. So pi will get cancelled. This is for what? Cylindrical, and this is for pipe. Now only this step only is enough for you. This 1 step, 2 step, 3 step. Understood now, Hemant?
Yes, sir.
So in this way you can understand. Fine. Anyone still having doubt in question number 8 and 9?
No, sir.
Now 13.4. Question number, last one I think we have given to you, right? 13.4. Drishi is there in the meeting? No one has on the camera. Only I can see Ananya and Hemant. You want me to remove children? What do you want? Drishi is there in the meeting? Drishi? Okay, she's not there. So question number 5th. Hemant, you were having doubt now in this question yesterday. You were asking something.
Yes, sir. I didn't.
You tried yesterday at home once again. You thought about this question.
Yes, sir, I did, but then I didn't get it.
Okay. Who got this? Samarth, you got this question?
Yes, sir. Okay.
First, you try to draw the diagram, how the this diagram will looks like. This is question number 5th of exercise 13.4. A metallic circular cone, a metallic right circular cone. Just make one right circular cone over here.
Sir, it's angular frustum, sir.
What? Angular.
Yeah, it's 60 degrees, sir. It's given here. So, and this all angles will be 60 degree.
Okay. So this height is given, right? The height is 20 centimeter, correct?
Yeah.
No. And vertical angle means this angle you are talking about, right? This angle, no.
Yeah, that angle is 60 degree.
I made it a bit bigger, then we understand better. Okay. Why it's going so slow? I was putting on eraser, then also it's happening the same thing. Today's system is only slow.
Sir, I have also little limited. That's why it's lagging.
We have made bigger, no, then you understand better. Now it is right in black. So children, here the given vertical angle is 60 degree. It means this is 60 degree, okay? And this height is 20 centimeter. Is cut into two parts at the middle of its height by a plane parallel to its base. So from here they are cutting like this. Gaya answer. Like you have cutted it from here. Tung, 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 tung. This got cut. Then if the frustum so obtained be drawn into a wire of diameter this centimeter. So what you are doing, children, you know, the frustum, this height will be what? 10, you know that? This is equal half, exactly equal half they have cut it here from here, okay? So this height will become what? 10 from here to here or not? This is clear, Hemant? If total height is 20, so if we cut from the middle, so this height will be 10 only, right?
Yes.
Okay, then after that, what to find here? The volume of the frustum. What? How to find the volume of the frustum? How to find the volume of the frustum? See, volume of the frustum. First, what we have to find? Volume of the frustum is equals to what? If the volume of the frustum is drawn into wires. So wire part. Wire is nothing but what? Wire is like this only. So this is like cylinder only, right? So cylinder will be what? Pi r square h. Don't write like this. Write here volume of what we should have 1 minute. Write here volume of wire.
Sir, your screen is getting stuck in the middle, sir.
Good. Volume of wire. And which is 1 by 16 if the fraction obtained is known as the wire diameter they have given here. Okay, fine. So find the length of the wire. So volume of the wire. So volume of the frustum is equals to what? How to find length of the wire? How to find the length of the wire? What I've written is correct or wrong? If I am wrong, tell me where I did mistake. I have did mistake, but where? Tell me, children. Who will tell me? Samar, can you tell me where I did mistake?
Checking, sir, just a minute. Sir, from where did you get that 10?
we are dividing the full fracture into two parts, right? Cut into two parts at the middle.
Okay, sir.
So middle means from exactly from the middle, right?
Yeah.
How to find radius, children? Leave this part. This part you leave right now. This part you forgot about this part right now. What is the radius of the fracture? That you tell me. Forget about this formula first. What is the radius of the fraction? That you tell me. Who will tell me how to find the radius? If we have read the trigonometry part, then you can able to tell the answer, children, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. See, if I told you already, this is 60 degree, this is also 60 degree, right? So this part is also 60, and we can write into 30 and 30 part. Hemant, can we write 30, 30? So this is 90 degree here. Can we find by this trigonometry, this length? If right here A, B, C, and here O. Can we find OC, children? How to find OC? Ananya, tell me how to find OC.
Sir, 10:30. Sir, sign 36. Sign 30.
So here we know what we know. Base we know, no? See, if this is the either no, this is the angle. So this is perpendicular, and this is base. So tan we should use, right? How sine you can use? Hypotenuse you don't know, no. So we have to find the relation
Yes.
between what? Perpendicular and base, correct? Perpendicular and base. So tan 30 we need to use. Tan 30 degree is equals to what? OC by,
Sir, 1 by root 3. Sir.
right? Or we
Yeah.
can write 1 by root 3 is equals to P, that is OC only, right? Divide by OA, that is nothing but 20. So can we write here OC is equals to 20 by root 3 centimeter?
Yes,
Is
sir.
this clear to everyone, children, or not?
Clear. Sir.
Ananya?
Yeah.
Rasul?
Yes, sir. It's
Yeah. Because without finding the radius, we can't do anything. So this is the radius of 20 by root 3. Is the radius for this whole this fractum, we can say, or this cone. Next, see, capital R we find. This is nothing but what? Capital R we can say, correct? If you find this small r, to find this small r, how to find this r, children? This also you can find or not? All of you tell me this one, how to find this part. Because we have to find both radius. We find capital R right now. Find small r. Small r, what we have to use? Right here, P and Q in this. See, you can write name it as O. Then X and Y you write. X and Y. X and Y is the smaller radius. The X and Y, what we can write for X and Y? Tan 30 is equals to tan 30 degrees equals to XY divided by AX. So again we can write 1 by root 3 is equals to XY, that is we have to find only divide by AX, that is 10. So XY is equals to what? 10 by root 3 centimeter. So these two things are clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Bigger radius and small radius. So height of the fraction is 10. Height of the fraction is what? 10, right? Height of the fraction is 10. Right here. Height of the fraction is 10 centimeter. So capital R we know, small r we know, or R1, R2 you can write your wish. Now we can find the volume of fraction. So volume of the fraction. I'll write directly now. Volume of fractum is equals to what? Tell me children. Volume of the fractum is equals to volume of wire, correct? Because the same fractum we are using for the to make the wire, okay? Is it clear children or not? Because we don't know the length of the wire, so what we can write here? Volume of the fractum is equals to what? We can write 1 by 3 pi r square plus r square plus r and small r. You can write here you have taken r, no, so we are using this formula. Otherwise, you can write r1 square plus r2 square plus capital R plus r1 r2 into h is equals to volume of wire. Volume of wire is nothing but pi r square h pi, and radius is given over there 1 by 32 into 1 by 32, and length we don't know. Length of the wire is just taking it as L. Here h is given, I'm just considering it as L. Now both side what we do is pi and pi will get cancelled, okay? Now we are putting the value over here. All the values are put now. 1 by 3 capital R, what we are getting? 20 by root 3, right? 20 by root 3 whole square plus 10 by root 3 whole square plus 20 by root 3 into 10 by root 3 into height. What is the height, children? What was the height? 10 is
10.
equals to 1 by 32 into 1 by 32. So try to cancel something if we can cancel. So nothing is cancelling right now. First write here same thing. So 1 by 30 into L is there. No, now L is equals to first to solve this part. 2400 by 3 plus 100 by 3 plus 200 by 3 into 10 is equals to 1 by 32 plus 1 by, sorry, multiply 1 by 32 into L. Now I hope you can do children easily, right? Now it's very easy. 1 by 3, 4, 5 to 700 by 3 into h we are writing 10, no? 10 is equals to 1 by 32 into 1 by 32 into L. So L is equals to, we can write, see this 32 is sent up. So L is equals to what we can write? 1 by 3 into 700 by 3 into 10 into 32 into 32. Can we write like this or not?
Yes, sir.
But nothing is cancelling over here, I think, right?
Yeah.
Nothing is cancelling, no? So just solve
Yes.
and get the answer. On solving, you'll get 1, what will you get? 7 only, no? 7, 10, 32, 32.
We'll get in points, sir.
Get in points. 32 into 32, what will come? Get me use calculator. Into 32 into 7,000. Wow, it's coming so much. 7168 is coming. 7168 triple 0. Okay, 7168 triple 0 divided by 9. This is in centimeter, children. Okay. And if you want to convert into meter, again you should convert something like that. You can convert to points and get centimeter. If you want to convert to meters, you can divide by 100 again. So is this clear to everyone, children, or not? Anyone feeling difficulty in this?
Yes, sir.
See, this is bit important. Today, how many questions we have done? These questions are most important questions what we have did today. 3 questions right now. Okay. So anyone having doubt in these 3 questions, just let me know.
No, sir. No.
Hemant, today is
No.
clear. Hemant, it's clear today that day you are having doubt. Now understood where you are feeling difficulty and all. Because here we have to use trigonometry part also to find the things, right? Hmm? Hemant, we have to get
Yes, sir.
trigonometry. We have to use trigonometry to find the radius R1 and R2. So whole exercise got finished. Only optional part is pending over here. So if you want to start,
Yes.
we'll start with optional parts. Okay. Question number 1 we'll just try once. Okay. So 13.1 to 13.4 is clear. 13.5 is your optional. That is not important for the examination point of view. But anyway, for knowledge, you can do that. Okay. This is not
Alright.
important. They have mentioned over there in the exercise over there. That is not the examination point of view. Now see question number 1. Who can do? Samarth, you have done these questions also. These questions also you have done, Samarth. Will not do much question, children. Okay, how much we can do today? This if only one question we do, we'll do today. Okay. Then I'll take some examination type questions. How the questions which has already come in the board exams. Okay. In the next class, and after that we'll start a new chapter. So very big chapter we have finished this term. This is very big chapter actually. So we have finished cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone, hemisphere, sphere, right? So many things are there. Okay, question number 1. A copper wire 3 meter in diameter is wound about a cylinder whose length is 12 centimeter and diameter is 10 centimeter, so as to cover the curved surface of the cylinder. Find the length and mass of the wire. Assuming density of copper to be 8.88 grams per centimeter cube. How to think first? This is bit typical questions. How to think only will get complicated. Samarth, how to think this question? Or anyone?
So here it is a copper wire, which is diameter 3 mm only. So its radius will be 1.5 mm.
Okay.
Wound into a cylinder whose length is 12 cm. So it is made into a cylinder whose length is 12 centimeters and diameter is 10 centimeters, and hence its radius is 5 centimeters. So as to cover the curved surface area of the cylinder and the length and mass of the wire. So sir, the length of the wire must be the volume of the cylinder by 1.5. We can
One minute, 1 minute.
put the formula there equals to the volume of the cylinder and mass equals to volume into density. So we'll get it.
1 minute. Let me once again open this one more. Then
Sir, your voice is a little not audible. I am in problems.
yeah. Now it's clear. Now.
Sir, it's very low, sir.
Your voice is a low, sir.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we don't know why it is happening. I think system only problem. I think it's going
Sir,
very less.
you
No.
are using headphones.
Yeah, headphone only I'm using.
Yeah, that will cause the problem, sir.
Headphone only problem.
Yeah, I was using the headphone now. I removed it out.
My system also is there. No, system also very less voice. That's why I think. It's,
Okay, sir. You
in,
can increase the volume of your system, sir.
the
It
system
can
volume is
help.
complete full and this my volume is also full. So
Okay, sir.
yeah, system input is only very less, I think. Because this my laptop becomes very old, 6 to 7 years old.
Oh, that's why, sir. The microphone jam is good.
So copper wire is 3 mm in diameter. The diameter of the wire is given 3 mm. So radius we can write 3 by 2 mm. Correct. Is owned over cylinder whose length is 12 centimeter. Length. So you convert this also in mm only, right? Centimeter. These two are given in centimeter. So this also convert in centimeter only. So what millicentimeter? 3 by 20 centimeter, right? So now this copper wire, this is for copper wire. This is for copper wire. And now we are talking about cylinder. 12 centimeter is what? Length is 12 centimeter. This length is how much? 12 centimeter and diameter. And diameter is equals to 10 centimeter and radius is equals to 5 centimeter. We write here R1 and write here R2. So as to cover the curves of the area of the cylinder, find the length and mass of the wire. So how to find this one? You are saying, see children, I'm just telling you how to find. Suppose I'm just telling you, just try to think over this. So this is the, suppose you are writing cylinder. Cylinder you are putting one by one. If you put one circle, again one circle like this. So this will become a cylinder or not? Suppose one ring thing, if you put ring, this becomes cylinder or not? Can you imagine what I'm saying? If you put ring thing, circle like this ring thing, it will become one cylinder. Suppose one ring is like this, and keep on put the rings.
Circle, sir. Circle
Yeah.
upon circle that causes a cylinder.
Yeah. So this ring, if you put, see here one ring, this is second ring, third ring, fourth ring. I'm giving with gap for your understanding. So what is the height? You know, this height will becomes what?
There's the number of rings.
Number of rings into diameter, right? Number of rings into diameter, correct?
Yes, sir. Correct.
Yes, sir.
This very less people will understand. If you are not a full deep study, then it's very difficult to understand also children. If you are standing, it's very good. So this height of the cylinder is nothing but number of rings into diameter. So here what we know that we write here, see, H is equals to so we write here H is equals to number of rings into dia. So H is given over here, that is how much? 12 centimeter, correct? 12 is equals to number of rings we don't know, correct? Number of
Yes,
rings.
sir.
Or we can say number of, we can write here number of rings is nothing but number of rings that means X you write into diameter. What is diameter over here? Diameter of the wire, not for this one. So diameter
3,
of
sir.
3 by 20, correct? Okay, diameter by 3 only, right? Yeah. So X is equals to 4. What is X? Number of rings is equals to how much? Only 4. Is it correct or wrong?
Sir, it's way too low now, sir.
Huh?
It's not even audible.
1 minute.
Sir, I cannot hear what are you saying.
Now you can hear me? Now it's okay.
Yeah, it's a little okay now.
Here is not there nothing now. You can see the volume part on my desktop in the corner.
Sir, just a minute, sir. I am trying with the headphones.
Children, anyone is listening me properly? Any one of you?
Yes, sir. Voice is low only, sir.
Low but not clear. Clear is coming but very low, right?
Yes, sir.
12 centimeter.
Sir, it's a little good now.
Hello, hello. Now it's coming. Now it's coming.
Yes, sir, it's coming.
Okay, fine. So here 12 centimeter, this everything is coming in centimeter, centimeter, centimeter. So height is diameter is 3 by mm. So children, here what we have did here, see, here 3 mm we have written, no, but we should write 3 by 10 centimeter. Understood, children? So here we have written only 3. So 3 by 10 is important. So here what will come? X is equals to how much will come? 40. Is it clear?
Clear, sir.
So this is the number of rings. So 40 times this circle is coming over here. So what is CSA, children, you tell me? The 40 times into what? 2 pi r, because circumference of the circle is what? 2
2
pi
pi RH.
r. 2 pi r only.
H,
no?
sir. 2
Circumference
pi
of
RH, sir.
2 pi r h. But x already we have written a number of rings. That is
Yeah, that's 40 circles of this.
So 40 the circles are there into 2 pi r. So 2 pi r is for one circle, and there are 40 circles. So what we have to do?
Yeah.
We have to multiply with 40. Now 40 into what we have to do? 2 into 22 by 7 into r. R is how much? This is 3 by 20. Correct. So what will come? So
Correct.
much is coming. Yes. So much thing is coming.
So the 20 and 40 will get cancelled. It will be 2. And
This becomes C. 2 and
sir,
10.
88 into 3 by 7, sir.
88 into 3.7.
88 into 3 divided by 7.
I am multiplying using calculator. Wait for 1 minute. What is coming? I just using calculator. So we cannot.
261 by 7.
So 40 into 1 minute. 40 into 66 is 2640. 2640 divided by 70. 37.71 is coming. Correct or wrong? I don't know. 2 pi r. 66 by 70 you do. 66 by 70, then 66 divided by 70. This is 0.94 is coming. Something is wrong, I think. Something is 2 pi r. 2 pi is 22 by 7.
So I'm getting 264 by 7, sir.
This is the CSA of which one? Like what we have to find actually in this? We have to find what? Length and mass of the wire. Length and mass of the wire. The length is nothing but 2 pi only, right? 2 pi r. So this will not applicable. Okay, children, we are just lagging. The time is going up. Okay. This question
Okay.
anyway we try in the next class. The same question we try in the next class.
All right.
We are just moving ahead.
Sir, it has gone 5 minutes more.
So anyway, this is a harder question. No, so your mind will also not work properly. So the next class we'll do this question, then we do further question. Okay.
Sir, I will do it in my home. And
All of you can
will
try.
send you.
All of you children, you can try at home. Anyway, we discuss once again, so that we have more
All right.
clarity on those things. Okay, children, you can leave for the day. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.